Okay, ake sixoxe ngesimbi zezwane today as isikhumbuzo sikhumbula amajaha amabili two members of insimbi zezwane abalahlekelwa zimpilo zabo in a fatal car accident in this very day 2 years ago. So right, sike sixoxe mhlawumbe ngengoma ethi impande yeminyela. Right, noma nje singeke siyihlaziye yonke but sike sithathe nje okuncane ngayo ukuthi kanti impande yeminyela yona ikuyini, iminyela ikuyini. Siyazi sonke ukuthi iminyela isihlahla, right, kodwa ukuthi eyifanise labantu labo abakomthwakazi, ngoba siyayizwa ingoma mayiqala lapha nithi umthwakazo omuhle izwana isibongo sami, which means ukuthi ukhuluma ngabantu bakomthwakazi. Uthethe abantu bakomthwakazi labana obafanisa le minyela. Iminyela leli siyazi i-behavior yeminyela, iminyela the tree. Iminyela lithola limilile endaweni elugwadule, endaweni mhlambe elukhethe elamatshe, ezinye izihlahla zingasurvive lapho zafa. Uthole lona limile li-green nje licazimula, liluke laluka impande zalo zatshona zaphansi limunya amanzi kuma-water table deep where other trees can't reach. So ungayikhangela ingoma leyi uyabona ukuthi abantu laba kusho ukuthi ngabantu abathwele nzima, abantu abathwele nzima kakhulu ukuthi for them to make ends meet kumele ukuthi basebenze extra hard, yabona, ubazwela usizi. Ngabantu nje abathwele nzima kakhulu, and on the other hand it means ukuthi ngabantu abasebenza nzima ukuthi loba kunjani bayenza sure ukuthi emdenini kuyadliwa, emdenini kuyalalwa, abantwana bejabulile. So it's izindlela eziyi-two, yabona. It's either not ukuthi it's either, it's both ways, ukuthi on one side it means ukuthi isimo esibuhlungu ukuthi abantu laba bakomthwakazi bathwele nzima ukuthi baze baphile, bahlanganisa nzima izinto ukuthi baze baphile. And then on the other hand it means ukuthi amahlabezulu lawa ngabantu abasebenza gadalala, people who don't give up, people who will go extra mile in order for them to live, yabona ukuthi they even go to deep water tables where other trees can't reach, but bona they make sure ukuthi baphansi le bewathola lawo manzi. So ingoma emnandi kakhulu. I just wanted ukuthi ngikhulume ngakho lokho. Angifuni ukuthi sixoxe ngezinto eziningi because kukhona okunye lapha ekhuluma khona ngamasiko, ukuthi sesalahla amasiko. Abadala babesithi uma bebona izulu lingekho bevunule laphana behambe enjelele. It's a very 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 beautiful song, orchestrated kamnandi, but I just wanted ukuthi ngeke ngicacise laphana ukuthi impande yeminyela ngendlela mina ngibona khona laphana it's in two ways, yabona, njengoba sengichasisele. So ngithemba la uzahamba laphana uyilalela ingoma le uzama ukuzwa lokho engikutsho, loba nje right. Siyazi ukuthi ama-interpretations umuntu lo muntu le interpretation yakhe, but mina indlela engibona ngakhona I think it means lezi zinto esengizi explainile. I don't want to explain it again, but I just wanted to make this video sikhumbula abafowethu abasishiyayo, two of the members of insimbi zezwane who lost their lives 2 years ago in a fatal car accident, and one of the vocalists who actually sang this song yona le ethi yona impande yeminyela lost his life. So yeah, sithi continue resting in peace, bafowethu, forever missed, and thank you for ingoma elasitshela zona, which we still listen to and we still get guidance from. So danko.